This is actually a premiere on a Friday night. Is anybody out there? It could be very well that I'm here by myself, but you know what? I do all my videos by myself. I mean, it wouldn't be so weird if I was by myself. And why am I rambling? I just keep talking. Welcome to Friday night. Grab yourself a cocktail. 5 o'clock somewhere, I'm sure of that. I've got an upcoming collaboration sometime in May. Yes, it's only March 2022 right now, but I thought I would start playing around with some paint colors, some consistency for the idea I have based on the theme that I've been given. So what are we gonna do today? We're gonna take some paint and I'm gonna mix them up to different consistencies. I'm actually gonna try this white zinc from Amsterdam. It's a transparent white. It wasn't a success. I need to do some more experimenting with that. Tried my very best to salvage it after blowing it out multiple times. And I mean multiple times, and blowing on it and moving the paint around and doing whatever I had to do. Yeah, I don't know for how long you're gonna endure, but I endured, so I expect you to too. The banner on my YouTube channel says Fluid Art Video Experiences. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take my art, and I use the term loosely, and I'm going to put it in some really cool tunes and edit to the tune, so hopefully you don't get totally bored and don't drop off and you actually stay to the end. And then after this one was done though, it kind of looked sad by itself, so then I made another one to complement it. In this instance, it's kind of like a fire and ice. I know it's been done multiple times before on many channels, but this is Tiffany's attempt to do a fire and ice compilation coming together, but on 2 different canvases. So it's a diptych. So as always, my name is Tiffany Remijn. Join me down on the canvas while I create a fluid painting video experience, kind of like MTV. Is MTV still a thing? You know, so instead of doing the dancing and the singing, I'm actually gonna put on some music and you can watch me paint, and that'll be the video part. Yeah, I don't know. You still here after watching all that? You know what? If you are, after watching me create that masterpiece, then you're part of my tribe. I encourage you to like, subscribe, turn on your notifications because you like my crazy, and that encourages me to even do more goofy shit on my channel. So, back to the music.
You're dirty and I like that.
Is anybody counting how many times? Because I've actually lost count that I've reblown over this. This color palette was an inspiration from a previous deconstructed bloom I did with the vermilion and the red on the black base, and I loved it. And I thought by adding the zinc weight with its transparent nature, and maybe making it a little bit less thick than the rest of the paints, that I would get a cool effect. But obviously that didn't happen. So thanks for bearing with me as I get through this. And I honestly can't tell you, because this is a voiceover and I haven't really paid that much attention, if this is like the last time I'm going to blow this thing out until I get the final piece. I don't know. So bear with me. And then of course there's the icy one coming after this, which actually was a one-hit wonder. It took 1 second to do and we were done. So I'm not sure why this red one was such a pain in the ass, but it was, that's for sure.
Tell me what you need to know. We can stalk it and make it grow. Come and ask me what you want to know, and we can go from here. I will just keep turning, and here I am still learning about what it is that you need, what it is you bleed for. Longing and yearning, deeply burning for you. Are you staying with me? Help me feed it. Slow down, let our minds grow quiet now. No sound, let our hands do the talking. Hands do the talking now. Do you see how this fire grows rapid and nobody knows how it started or where it will go? I can't stop now, baby, no. I will just keep turning, and here I am still learning about what it is that you need, what it is you bleed for. Longing and yearning, deeply burning for you. Are you staying with me? Tell me you need it. Slow down, let our minds go quiet now. No sound.
Look, Mummy, I created a painty paint. Isn't it fabulous? Mummy, you always encourage me to make things. Yeah, okay. Well, honey, why don't you make me a second one to go with that in like blues? And then when it's done, we will hang it on the fridge. Or maybe I'll call the Louvre and see if they've got some room next to the Mona Lisa, because then we could make it like a triptych. You know, the Mona Lisa in the middle, and then the red one on one side and the blue on the other. I'm sure the lineup would be huge outside the Louvre, just to experience your fantastic art. Honey, when you grow up, you can be anything you want to be. Oh, thanks, Mommy. I know, I'm such a good artist. It's fabulous. I can't wait to see it on the fridge.
Let our hands do the talking, hands do the talking now. Now You can't keep me far away for long. You can't keep me far away for too long. There's no need to.
So if you stayed all the way to the end, bravo. I am very excited that you did. You've got more patience and endurance than I ever would. And if you liked this, fantastic. If you didn't, you're still here. So I'm thinking somewhere, somehow, you secretly like the crazy. Coming up after me is Lance at Pouring Together with Lance Travis. There's my new intro. And then after him, it's Cindy over at Cynthia Porter Studios. And then I have no idea if there's a train behind that. So I will let them in their video kind of take you on beyond that moment. And if you're new to my channel, I'm actually in the Netherlands. So I'm actually up chatting with you over here on your computer screen, over here. I don't know my right from my left. It's in the middle of the night. I actually woke up to be here with you. How exciting is that? So like I said, it's 5 o'clock somewhere. It's just not 5 o'clock where I am. I hope you had a good time, and I will continue to experiment for this collaboration and share those videos with you as I try to save them, because whatever I've conjured up in my crazy mind doesn't seem to always work. I have linked Lance's thing somewhere over to his channel so that you can join us over there. I might actually go back to bed though, Lance, I'm sorry. Thank you for being here.